Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to log in to your new Dakota West online banking account. You can log in from the Dakota West website or from the mobile app. To download the mobile app, go to the Google Play or App Store and search Dakota West Credit Union. There it is, download it. If you have never logged into online and mobile banking, you'll need to create a new account. So please click the Enroll Now link to start that process. Follow the online instructions to set up. If you're a current online mobile banking user, meaning you've used the app before, you should be able to use your same username to log in. For your password, you need to use the last 4 numbers of your social and the first 4 letters of your last name. First letter capitalized. If your last name has less than 4 letters, just use your last name. There are some situations where a member may need to create a different username. If your current username is all numbers, you're going to have to use your member number instead to log in. For your password, you'll need to use the last 4 numbers of your social and the first 4 letters of your last name, first letter capitalized. Then you will be prompted to create a new username with at least 1 letter and update your password. Please be aware that you will need to be verified using your phone number or email that is linked to your account. Make sure that's all set up correctly so this process can run smoothly. Contact us at a branch if you think your phone number or email is not set up correctly. Well, that's about it, folks. See you online.